All right. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to take the scenic route. I'm trying to get in between these storms to get to the store. I mean, I could go other ways, but it's more fun. I feel a little moisture, but no rain. Definitely some wind. You're probably going to hear it. Ah, I forgot my mirror. Oh well. I'll just have to be careful. Wow, it's pretty windy. Huh, traffic in here. Always traffic in here. Let's see, come on. Gotta come to almost a standstill to navigate. All right. But that's where we learn. Learning how to come to almost standstill. I mean, and then of course you take your foot off when necessary and get back on, but I like to stay standing up on it as much as I can, slow down to nearly a complete standstill, or forward backward tick-tock. But it's always more safe to just go as slow as you can and have full control. It's good exercise for the ankles. I tell you what, when I first started doing this, it was tough on the ankles because you're doing angles and changes that are really tough to take on your ankles. But now that I have built up a good tolerance for the angle when I have to go left or right very slow, you got to really steep it down to almost like a 45-degree angle. See, now here I had to come to pretty much a complete stop. Now I'm going to make the left here on the wheelchair lane or the handicap lane so I can shoot across to the sidewalk over here. All right, let's see. Okay, I can shoot across here. And then I'll just wait to shoot across here. So like I said, I'm going in between the storms. Seem to be getting bans from the outer part of the hurricane. And now I'm gonna get to the store, which I got other ways to go, but this is the most fun way. Okay, here I go. Shoot across before those cars make the turn. I mean, there is a little water moisture, but my wheel's pretty safe. I check it to make sure there's no major water ingress. Actually, almost zero. I don't see any moisture inside. But, you know, you gotta put a tag in your wheel, air tag, a tile, hide them really good. I keep two, because if they might find one, they ain't gonna find both. At least not before I can get to their house with a loaded 45. Give me my wheel back. All right, here we go. Park it right here under the fire extinguisher.